Hello guys, welcome back to Food Crunch with Phyllis, and as usual, you know my name. Anyway, today we are going to North. Yebedi TZ, yebedi die wo, and I said TUOZAAFI, aka Saturn. I may can't the northern name actually, so unima. Anyway, so this video is going to be in 3 parts. Okay, the first part is how I make my dawadawa stew. The second part is the soup, the ayoyo soup, and the third part is how I make the dawadawa itself. So stay tuned and watch all the videos so that you know how easy it is to actually make TZ. It's very easy. Make yours at home and memo be am brofo so ate now betimi aye. Alright guys, so we are going to make ayoyo enquine for our TZ, okay, or ayoyo akpe. I'm learning how to speak cucumber. Alright, so there are 2 types of ayoyo. You have the large ones and the tiny ones, okay. Make sure when you go to the market for ayoyo, get the small ones because those ones the larger ones, okay. So what we are going to do is just boil this over the fire. In preparing for the ayoyo, I removed the stalks, okay, so that it doesn't become all in raw. So we will not cook this for a very long time, just for some few minutes. The moment you start seeing it boil, that's the time for you to turn it over, okay. When you are cooking ayoyo, don't cover it with any lid. So now we leave it to simmer for some few minutes and then we get back. This boiled on low heat a total of 8 minutes. So what I'm going to do next is to blend the ayoyo, okay, with my dawadawa and herrings. So as I said earlier, we are going to blend the ayoyo with locust bean or dawadawa and then herrings amanin susa, okay. So put everything together and then you are good to go. I'm using the same water I used for the cooking of the ayoyo, okay. So I have some very warm, so I'm going to blend everything together. So we are done blending and we've put it in our pot to cook for a while, okay. So you can see how slimy it is. At this point, please do not add any kiln to it. Cook on medium heat, okay, medium to low heat, just for some few minutes and your soup will be ready. Depending on how thick or how loose you want it, just add water, all right. But please do not add kiln to this. I mean, you are the one eating, why do you have to add kiln? Right. Some people prefer to add okro to this. You can do that too. You can grate your okro and then add it to your ayoyo soup, or you can make your okro separately, but today we will not add okro. So please do this at home and you are going to enjoy it. The last thing is to add your salt, okay, to taste. Aduane na dey say and quina you're ready. You see, the elasticity is not that bad, so you don't have to add kiln to this or bicarbonate soda, okay. Just eat it like that. We no when you're putting papa. So enjoy eating this with your TZ. Okay, so the other option is to add okro to it. So I have my grated okro, all right. I prefer it grated because it's I mean the texture that I'm looking for is only when it's grated that I can get that. So I'm adding a little bit of salt to it and I'm going to boil it over medium heat for just some few minutes, okay. And this will be ready with our ayoyo. Guys, we are done. Oh, this is very easy. You can make it no cube, okay, no artificial flavors, just natural spices. And trust me, your dehu is nicer than the Hausa woman's dehu. Trust me, it is going to be dope. So make this at home, okay, and share with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.